Imagine getting paid rupees 60,000 per month to work directly with the government of Meghalaya for improving the education system and also creating a real life impact at the grassroots level. And surprisingly, very few students and young professionals know about this opportunity. So recently, the government of Meghalaya has launched the CM Lead Fellowship 2026 to 27. Hey everyone, welcome back to Development Wala. In this video, I am going to tell you everything you need to know about this fellowship, like the eligibility criteria, stipend, admission process, and the deadlines. CM Lead Fellowship stand for the Chief Minister Leadership in Education and Development Fellowship. This fellowship is launched by the government of Meghalaya so that the young professional can be placed in the public education system and the district administration. Selected fellows will be placed in 12 different districts of Meghalaya to support the implementation of the important education initiative for improving the children's learning outcome and strengthening the public education system. And yes, this is not a desk work. Fellows will closely work with the different district education departments, school leaders and teachers, Samagra Shiksha, and different government officials. And their work may include program implementation, field visit, monitoring education initiative, data analysis, documentation, and coordination between different departments. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So you should have a graduate or postgraduate degree in any discipline, but if you are a graduate, then you should also have a 2 years relevant experience in development sector, public policy and governance, or any related field. Okay, and generally your age should be between 22 to 35 years. Now let's talk about the admission process. Okay, firstly you have to apply through an application form that you will get in their official website. In that application form, you have to submit your CV, SOPs, and also do some assignment. Okay, after submitting that application form, there will be the shortlisting, and if you are shortlisted, then you will be called for the interview. Okay, and after the interview, again the shortlisting will happen, and if you are selected, then there will be the final selection. The fellowship duration is 1 year, that is 12 months, and it may be extended to 24 months, that is 2 years, based on the performance. Applications are currently open for the batch 26 to 27, and the last date to apply for it is around 21st June 2026. So if you are interested, you should apply as early as possible. This all for today's video. If you like this video or find it helpful, then please like, share and subscribe this channel and help us to grow, and follow Development Wala for more such updates.